Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Unreal. Let me show you how to use the level sequencer and auto keyframe to move your objects around. To do that, I will go first add one sphere. And let's go add a sequencer, add level sequence over here. Save just for case. You can see this key icon. Make sure that this is enabled. And now we'll need to go to click this plus button to track our sphere, actor to sequencer, and over here we will find our sphere. Click it and it's selected. Make sure to select this transform and hit over here, add a new key at the current time or hit enter. And now move your playhead, for example, 60 frames and move your object. Hit enter again. Move your sequencer, move your object, hit enter, and so on and so on. Move it like this, hit enter. We can see this green line that represents the movement of the sphere. If I go to the start and if I hit play, you can see your object moving around, animated. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. You also have a 75 tips and tricks for Unreal Engine for beginners. If you find that helpful, you have a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.